you should give a little lesson to other girls on how to catch a husband.
Oh, thank you. I think you've said that before, and it made my day. Yeah, well, I got him at Duke, so that was a big perk. I got him in college when we were young.
I know all about it. But, there's been a lot of changes in your life. You retired from golf, and now you are on the MLB circuit.
Look at you, yes.
I know, I had to kind of look that up, but how is it? I mean, how's life? How are you liking it?
It's amazing. It really is. It's going to be weird next year going to more games. I'm really looking forward to it, though. Spending more time with Nate. It's nice kind of being around all the baseball families and wives and spend some time with them. The A's made it to the postseason, which was really exciting. They played the Tigers, so it was fun to be able to travel on their plane and get to spend some time just being a wife and a fan. So it was great.
I can see you being an amazing cheerleader.
I was probably one of the louder ones. Got a little hoarse at the end, but it was phenomenal.
Totally. Well, enjoy your evening, and I'm really happy to see you again.
Oh, thank you. It's always good seeing you, Sandra.
Thank you.